And
Ito yung ating mga bagong promo.
Yon! Galing mo. Pang Pinoy ko, palak na ni Ken. Eh, si Sir. Natin, Sir. Sige, sige. Kaya naman yung na-promote.
Oo. Picture. Yan po yung ating mga bagong promo. Police Major Jimenez. Taan, Police Major Pallier.
Hindi pala eh.
Ay po, parating na po ang ating Chief of Police.
Bakit may toast?
Naman yung pagsalat.
Toast sa ating experience. Grabe na yan, nagkantay talaga si Dana.
start tayo. Maganda at masarap na umaga sa ating lahat. And welcome to the Thanksgiving celebration of the newly promoted personnel. And to start with, may I call on Master Sergeant Carl Anthony Carvantes for our invitation. Sir?
Tayo po yung mga tumalangin. Santo Amen. Lord, una po sa lahat, nagpapasalamat po kami sa araw na to na binigyan niyo ang bawat personal dito ng isang buhay para mabuhay ulit. Ngayon po ay nagpapasalamat din po sa mga na-promote na personnel ng Mandaluyong CPS at sila ay binigyan niyo ng responsibilidad at pribileyo sa next hire ng una. Humingi rin po kami ng kapatawaran sa lahat ng aming nagawang kasalanan, direct man or indirect sa inyo. Nagpapasalamat po kami sa lahat ng biyayang binigay niyo sa amin sa araw-araw, noon, ngayon at hanggang sa susunod na panahon. Ang lahat ng ito ay inaalay namin sa inyong pangalan.
Amen.
Amen.
Of course, to our Chief of Police, Ma'am, good morning po. Sa ating mga newly promoted, good morning. So we are now here to celebrate the promotion of our 68, tama ba, 68 personnel.
68.
So, welcome and again, congratulations sa ating mga newly promoted. This will be one of the highlights of your day. Kaya nila naantay ito ay election na tuloy pa rin ang promotion. So, again, let's celebrate this day. This day is for you. Thank you.
Ahmad, sir.
Mamayak.
1 minute lang.
Ah, dyan.
Sige, go.
Morning, ma'am. Chief of Police.
Ako, miyak yata.
Umiiyak
Umiiyak,
na,
oh.
wala pa.
Our Deputy Chief of Police, sir. Our PCOs, PGOs,
Siya yung senior.
na na-promote. Congratulations po sa lahat sa ating lahat. Narito po tayo ngayon na
Trap.
pagpasalamat po tayo na nabigyan tayo ng pagkakataon na nandito tayo dahil sa ating naging promoted tayo.
Ano ni Sir Reginaldo?
Nagkaroon tayo na
Nag-ready talaga. May speech talaga.
bilang promoted. Ito po ay isang dagdag na naman na tungkulin sa ating lahat na bilang responsibilidad sa ating karir o hamon bilang isang police officer. So kailangan po natin pagkain ito at magsumikap sa trabaho at isang puso at pagpapatuloy sa mga magandang gawain at gampanan po natin ang ating tutungkulin at sumunod sa mga inuutos ng mga opisyalis natin na namumuno dito sa atin. Gawin natin ito ng may silbisyong pagpupusa na may malasakit at higit sa lahat magkatakot sa Diyos. Yun lang po. At mabuhay po tayo.
Yun!
And for the PCO, also inspirational message, Naikulang Police Major Ahmad Titi Jimenez, Substation 2 Commander. Sir!
Mas maraming huli sa drugs.
After that.
Sa ating pong Chief of Police, Police Colonel Mary Grace Matayan, ma'am. Ating ako pa, Sir Robert De Los Reyes, sir. Other officers, PNCOs, magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Alam nyo naman yung sabi nga nila, yung promotion, another responsibility, another privilege to serve the people. No? So, sana tayong mga taga Mandaluyong, ilagay natin yung Mandaluyong Police sa pedestal. Na sa susunod na command conference, nandun tayo sa number 1. We aim for number 1. Kasi ako, as a leader, I always aim for number 1. Kahit bumaba ka, nasa gitna ka pa rin, di ba? So we aim for number 1. Ilagay natin sa susunod na command conference yan ang hamon ko sa lahat ng mga na-promote na nandito ngayon. Ilagay natin sa number 1. At yan ay aasahan ng ating Chief of Police at ang ating mga senior officers. Maraming salamat po sa ating lahat. Good morning.
First, thank you very much, Major Jimenez, no, na nag-i-aim tayo ng number 1. Kahit na hindi mag-number 1, itaas man lang natin na wala tayo dun sa pinakailalim. Kasi para ang lumalabas doon, we are not doing anything within the city. But we're in fact, marami naman tayong ginagawa. Pero wag naman tayo doon sa pinakailalim. So for the newly promoted officers and PCOs of this station, your promotion is both, sabi nga kanina sa panalangin, is both a privilege and a milestone. It's a privilege because only those who are in service are being promoted, not for everyone. Yung nasa active service. And a milestone because, kaya nga nandiyan sa PDS natin yan. And it's a milestone kaya pinaghahandaan natin ang ating every promotion. And it's a milestone because you cannot be promoted without you passing the rigorous requirements for the promotion of each for the civilians who are here, for each rank that you have. So may corresponding requirements po yan, training and examinations. So yung mga police po natin, dumadaan yan sa rigorous training and rigorous examinations before they can be promoted to wherever they are. And the third one is that it's an additional responsibility on your as a person and as part of the organization. As a person because you are you. You are you. Sinasabi nga police ka. Then therefore, it is an expectation from the community and from the public that you should act accordingly. Especially those who are promoted from PNCO to non-officer to an officer. You are no longer part of the greater majority, the non-PNC, the non-officers or the PNCO, but you are already an officer. So at that, you have to practice your leadership. And ano yung motto? You walk your talk. Okay? Hindi yung nag-uutos ka as an officer or as a supervisor at that for those senior PNCOs. Tapos hindi mo alam yung inuutos mo. So kung hindi mo alam, gawin mo muna on your own siguro before mo inuutos. Ha? For a very simple, halimbawa, memo. Paggawa ng memo, pag-atake, pagsagot sa isang memo, you don't even know how to prepare yourself and then you will ask the patrolman to do it. You don't even know for yourself. So, number 1 rule dyan is you walk your talk. Kung hindi mo man alam as a senior officer, wala namang masama kung magpag-guide ka dun sa expert. Like for example, IT people. The IT people are less ranking than us, but they are expert on that. Pwede tayo magpaturo. Wala naman pong mawawala sa atin, sa rango natin at sa pagkatao natin, if we will ask for the help of the expert. So with that, tatlo ang sinabi ko, your promotion is both a privilege, it's a milestone, and it's a bigger responsibility on your part, not only as a member of the organization, but also as a person, member of the community. With that, congratulations!
Okay, thank you, ma'am. And that's the end of our part 1. And for our part 2,
Lunch na, sir.
alas na. Okay, for the list of the good, may ito Sir Cervantes.
Nahiya ako kasi.
Ayan po ang mga handa ng ating mga bagong promo.
Congratulations. May table sa 4th floor.
May mga bagong promo. Medyo mayak na ako. Ito po haba po ng pina natin. Black Panther po.
Shoutout naman sa vlog ni Sir Mike. Shoutout naman oh, shoutout. Shoutout sa vlog ni Sir.